In the video you are about to watch, the direction change in DPK gear pumps is explained. The nut, washer, and plastic cover on the pump should be removed. The conical gear pin should be removed. The pump should be securely clamped to prevent damage to the inlet and outlet lines. The 8M10 bolts connecting the body and the cover should be removed. The cover should be carefully pried off from the body. The top pressure plate should be removed. The positions of the long and short gears should be swapped. The removed pressure plate should be reinstalled with the marked area aligned with the exit line. The setskur screw on the cover should be removed and installed on the other side. The setskur screw should be mounted to align with the pressure line. The 8M10 bolts connecting the body and the cover should be tightened. The long gear pin, plastic cover, washer, and nut should be installed to complete the direction change process. Thank you for watching.